Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to the Day 4 Challenge. I'm Kate. If you've not been doing the challenges, we've done 3 of them already. You can find the links above or below this post. I put them somewhere. Make sure you're in the Facebook group so that you can be participating and winning all of the amazing things that Lynn's going to be giving away in her group. And then in my group as well, just to participate in all the fun fitness and connecting with people. You guys, it's such an amazing way to stay accountable to your fitness goals if you have people that you're doing it with. So please check it out if you're not in those groups already. We're going to do the 4th day today, which is going to be a short intro and preview for the Warrior Positions. So 3 of the formats that I teach are very yoga inspired. They are not yoga. Okay, we move much faster and it's much more dynamic, lots of dynamic movement. And so I want to show you the poses though that we do use and how we use variations of these poses, but I want to teach you the basics of the pose today. We will hold them mostly static today. Your legs are still going to burn, but this will give you a feel for how your body should be in position and feeling when we do these moves. And then of course in class, we will be moving through them a little bit more than what we'll do today. So welcome, this is my virtual classroom, you guys. There's always reminders up posted. Look, I decorated Christmas lights, yay! And quote of the day, always. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you the moves and you guys, I want you to do these with me. So as I'm previewing, I actually want you to be on your mat, getting into the positions as well so you can really feel it. And then we'll put it to some music, even though we're gonna be holding them mostly static today. So I want to first show you Warrior 1. Warrior 1, so you're gonna have your feet, your front foot, your right foot is gonna be facing forward. Your left foot is gonna be angled. So the angle, it should be between 45 to 90 degrees. The goal is pretty much 90 with your blade of your foot pressing into the back of the mat. So do you see that side camera? Do you see how the blade of my foot, see if I just move it, you can kind of tell that I'm pressing into it. Now I'm just being a little bit dramatic there, but your blade is pressing to the back. It's parallel to the back of your mat. Now Warrior 1, your hips are square. So they're square forward. That's different than another position we're going to do. You also want to make sure you're stepping far enough forward so that your knee stays right over your front ankle and that it's not jutting out past your toes. So hips square, knee over the ankle, blade of the foot pressing back. Okay, you're pressing those hips forward and your arms are going to come up, framing your ears as you sink into that front leg, trying to get your thigh parallel to the ground. Now, you're probably already shaking. I'm shaking. You can always come up, especially as you're learning this position. So you can practice sinking into it until you get to that shaking point where you just can't hold it any longer, and then you can release it and come up a little bit. So that's Warrior 1. Warrior 2, feet stay in the same position. Blade is still pressing to the back. This time in Warrior 2, let's say we're in Warrior 1. Warrior 2, you're opening your hips to the side, and your arms come parallel to the floor. Now, arms, other things to be real important with the arms. Your shoulders are pressed down. Your head is extended. It's strong. It's tall. You're pulling your shoulder blades together. And then you're sinking, just like we did in Warrior 1. And you're gazing out over those front fingertips. I'm shaking already, so you can come up if you're shaking. Your arms will probably start to shake. Everything is tight and strong in the upper body. So even though we have our arms are just staying still, they're still working. Your legs are working. It's all working. Now the other thing to imagine yourself pressed between 2 panes of glass. Okay, so you've got 2 panes of glass right here and you're squeezed between them. And you got to keep it all in and tight and strong. You're a warrior. So you wouldn't want to be like jutting out this way or your butt's not sticking out, you're not wobbling because you're in between 2 panes of glass. Squeezed, tight. That's Warrior 2. Okay, come out of that, shake out that leg. I know it's starting to burn. We just finished Soul Fusion, so I'm already like, my legs are toast. All right, Warrior 3. Warrior 3 is balance. So Warrior 3, you're gonna have your right foot facing forward, your left leg is going to lift. Okay, your arms are tight and strong. Let's do the variation where our arms are going to be at our side first. So shoulders press back and down. Front foot is flat. All the weight is going to be into that front foot. You're going to lift that back leg nice and strong and tight. Your hips stay square, and your foot in the back can be flexed, toes pointed down. The goal is to create a straight line from your head to your ankle. So check your chest. Your chest is parallel, but you want to have everything tight and pulled in. It's all engaged. Now, options for arms. You can have prayer arms here. Sometimes prayer arms are a little bit more helpful for balance because you have that leverage of your elbows. Or try the full position with arms straight out. This is going to be the most balanced. Keep that core engaged. Pull the belly button up. Holy cow. Shaking, balance, tap down if you need to. That's Warrior 3. Woo! Now, Warrior 3. You're gonna definitely wobble. Look at me, I'm all over the place already. So you can definitely tap down, you guys. If you're sitting there shaking, just come down for a tap and then go back into it. Okay, so those are the 3 warrior positions. I want to show you one more called Reverse Warrior. Reverse Warrior, same position as Warrior 1 and 2 for the feet. The back foot blade is pressed back parallel to the back of your mat. You're sinking into that front leg. With Reverse Warrior, your arms are going to, your right arm, if your right leg is forward, is going to come up. I imagine myself holding a crystal ball, and I'm looking at my crystal ball. I've got my shoulders pressed down, my head is tall, strong stance, chest is up and open, and that other arm just sits on my back thigh right there, and you sink. Sink and look up and reach, and you got a slight back bend. Super powerful position. You feel like a strong superpower person, superhero, right? I gotta come out of it because my leg's starting to shake. Woo, that's reverse. Okay, let's try it on the left side with some music. Okay, we got the right side burned out. Now let's do the left with the music and just give it a try. Let me get my song started here. Where is it? My watch died this morning, so I can't control it with my watch. All right, I'm going to turn the music up for us too, because in my classes, we do turn the music up nice and loud. So I'm going to turn it up for us to about 9 right there. All right, left foot forward. Let's start with that Warrior 1 position. So back foot, again, is angled out about 90 degrees. Blade is pressing back. Stepping out big in the front foot so that the knee's right over the ankle. Already feeling it. Hips are turned square to me. Arms are going to come up. Sink. Woo. Okay. Press the hips. We're going to shake. Let's open to Warrior 2. So feet stay. We just open the hips. Drop the arms. Shoulders press down. Head is up. Now look forward straight ahead. Arms parallel. Super strong position. Come up if you need to. The leg's starting to shake a lot. I know. Then sink back down when you can. Pull your shoulder blades together. Remember the panes of glass? You're pressed. You're pressed. Okay, let's try to reverse this. So you're just going to take that left arm, reach up your crystal ball. Your right arm is just resting on that back thigh and you sink down. I know it's shaking like crazy, you guys. Come up if you need to. Give yourself a little break. And then sink back down. Woo! Hold it, hold it, hold it. Ah, step it in. Wow. This is why Piyo and all the yoga-based formats are extremely effective. We still got to do Warrior 3. Let's try it. Left leg's forward. This is the balance one. You're going to get all that weight in the front leg, nice and stable and strong. Arms are tight, shoulders pressed down. Okay, lift that right leg. Hips are square. Back is flat. Find a spot to look at. That helps to balance. Toes point down. Pull that belly in, core tight. All is tight and strong. Don't forget to breathe. So many things. Hey, try some prayer arms. This might be more helpful. Tap down if you need to for a little break. Now sometimes the hip wants to, see, I fall off balance all the time. The hip will want to open up. That's the hard part, is to keep the hip square. Now, try the arms out. See if you can just get there for a couple seconds. Woo! Press to that foot. Chest is in. Parallel to the ground. Bring it down. Yeah, shake it out, you guys. Those are the warrior moves. I'm telling ya. Powerful, effective, strength, balance, grace. It's all in these moves. And you guys, we do it to music, so it's so fun. Hey, congrats. You got the day 4 challenge done. I bet you're going to feel those tomorrow. Practice those moves. Another tip for Warrior 3, the balance one, is try it up against a wall where you can actually be holding yourself up against the wall so you don't fall over. That helps too. All right, you guys, this was great. So take your pictures, post them in the groups so that you can win all the fun things. If you have not done the other challenges, you still have plenty of time. They're all posted. And feel free to share these with other people. These are going to be public videos. And again, meant to help you really get confidence built up and be ready to take a full class. And you guys just start 2021 really strong and feeling good, getting into a fitness routine, a fun fitness routine. Yeah, I'm all about fun. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.